Johnson & Johnson is a baby company, but we're also a cancer-fighting, HIV-controlling, joint-replacing, and depression-relieving company. From the day you're born, we never stop taking care of you.
Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. I'm Ahmad Ismail Par and my friend Karthik Joshi. Me and Karthik Joshi to brief presentation of Johnson & Johnson. These are the content of history, company profile, market share and market size, competitors and competitors market share, product and service list, branch location and countries, growth and decline story, financial details, conclusion.
History. Johnson & Johnson Company was founded in the year 1886. Johnson & Johnson was founded by the Johnson brothers in New Brunswick, New Jersey. From left to right, Robert Wood Johnson, James Wood Johnson, and Edward Mead Johnson. Modern Methods of Antiseptic Wound Treatment was published in the year 1988, served as the guide in antiseptic surgery field. In the year 1894, maternity kits were launched to make childbirth safer. In the same year, the company introduced baby powder to the market, which began the company's movement into the baby products.
In the 1944, the company went public and joined the New York Stock Exchange. In the 1949, Johnson & Johnson launched Ethicon Inc. In the 1957, the company launched its first facility in India. In 1959, Johnson & Johnson acquired Emcynil Laboratories as well as the rights for Tylenol located in the United States and Europe. Johnson & Johnson renamed Emcynil Laboratories to Ortho Emcynil Laboratories. The company profile. The company's profile consists of three measures of market segment. First one is consumer products. Second one, medical diagnostics and devices. Third one, pharmaceutical products.
Consumer products. These are the some of the products by Johnson & Johnson's company. The first one is Aveeno and Dr. C.I. Labo and Neostrata. Medical devices and diagnostics by Johnson & Johnson's companies are bariatric and metabolic surgery, DPOE synthesis joint reconstruction device. Pharmaceutical products are cardiovascular and metabolic disease, immunology, pulmonary hypertension.
And these are the competitors and competitors market shares. First one, Pfizer, Novartis, GlaxoSmithKline, Bayer, March.
Here comes the profit and loss for the period of 2020 for all the competitors. Johnson & Johnson Company earned 83.53 crores, Pfizer earned 509.3 crores, Novartis earned 10.08 crores, GlaxoSmithKline earned 982.8 crores, Bayer earned 474.5 crores, Merck earned 25.08 crores. This is the chart based on the profit and loss of the company.
This is the location of Johnson & Johnson office factory. Areas house, plot number 24, Deonar, Govandi, East Mumbai. Employees at Johnson & Johnson India exemplify the shared values embodied in our credo and play a vital role in delivering innovative healthcare solution to patent and customers.
Johnson & Johnson Company office location in other countries as well as in India. United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Belgium, Netherlands, Australia, India, Argentina, Austria, Belarus, and Brazil.
Growth and decline story. As an such company does not have any decline in last pharmaceutical business review. With analysis in 2018, company have built a highly productive pharmaceutical pipeline with 6 key new products launching and another 2 pending regulatory review, some in multiple geographic. Company disciplined approach to research and development, rigorous investment, prioritization, and internal and external sources of innovation has enabled us to be well positioned for long-term growth. The company revitalized portfolio and launch capabilities have led to market leadership in key categories.
Johnson & Johnson pharmaceutical business will highlight its plan for continuing to address major medical needs and build on its market leadership in 5 therapeutic areas: neuroscience, cardiovascular and metabolism, immunology, oncology and infectious disease, vaccines. Brief summaries of the therapeutic areas, products and compounds being discussed in today's presentations are available in a separate background or pharmaceutical segment review highlights. Johnson & Johnson Company's income statement. As mentioned in the above bar graph, that is also repeated here, the net income of the company is in the financial year 2017 is 1.3 billion, and in 2018 is 15.3 billion, and in 2019 is 5.1 billion. This shows us the company hasn't gotten in a deep decline even in a COVID time also. Profit and loss account also shows the same as in the bar graph and in the income statement. Profit and loss for the period 20th March, that is 83.53 crores. Johnson & Johnson balance sheet. Here we can say that the company isn't in a loss, and which shows a company is in a good run cage.
Last one is the conclusion. The vision is reflected not only in the credo of the company, but gets translated at every stage in the form of best practices at the company. Herein lies the human approach, where the focus is not diluted to reap benefits with the business policies geared towards only return on investment, but towards return on relationship also.
Thank you one and all. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you.
Stay safe, wear mask.